All right.
So, what we have here is a Shopsmith. I believe it's a D3300. And with it, the bags, I didn't get any, well, actually, I did get one. It had a hole in it when my dad brought it over. So I tried to tape it up, and lo and behold, about 5 minutes into running the table saw with it hooked up, I had sawdust flying all around me, and I couldn't figure out why until I turned around. All of a sudden, yeah, the bags splayed open, and just basically recirculating sawdust. So, what it has on there now are 2 garbage bags from Costco, and they don't work very well. So what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to put on new ones that I ordered from Amazon. Maybe you can read that. It's a clear plastic dust collector replacement bag. Lo and behold, it's probably the right thing. So, first off, let's get the old one off. And there it is. So there's a band that goes around it. Yeah, you can see it right here. So, you just flick that thing open, undo it there. So it has these little retainers on there as well, and it basically those are worthless. So try to get as much of it as we can. So yeah, there are 3 of those little retainer clips. And so you have that band that goes around it. Alright. And just like Fisher's shop, I'm going to go ahead and dump this on my neighbor's lawn when they're not home. So, be right back. So these bags are, I think they're 5 mil thick, but just, I mean, they're about triple the thickness of that, the other bag that I had. So let's see that these things work. Put on here. I'm sure somebody's going to comment and say, well, I could have installed that in 30 seconds. And you probably could have. So right now I'm just fishing them underneath those retaining clips. Making sure that we're up there. Alright, so now we have that all the way around there. We have this, basically it's, you know, just going to go ahead and lock in and there we go. Okay, so we got that locked in. Close. Alright, I'm going to go around to the other side to just double check that we've got that all the way around there. We do, and a little bit of bags coming up over the top. So let's plug this thing in, and I'm going to fire it up without the hose on it. Hot diggity damn. I think it works. I am going to try fitting on this bag at the very bottom, and I don't know really why, but I think maybe they're just for so the bag doesn't puncture itself.